indicator above there is using a block gloves. It's called a falconry gauntlet. Hindi na siya willing gloves, guys, ha? It is used to protect our skin from their sharp talons and beaks. Ang mga na gamiton para rin may mga bungi. So she answered correctly. 5 plus 8 is equals to... Oh, I know. And here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two different kinds. We have the brownie kind and the Philippine serpent eagle. So first off, let's meet our brownie kind kingdom. Brownie kind are scientifically known as Haliastoricus. They are locally known as Lawin or Banong in the Visayas region. So these birds can be found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they're known as red-backed sea eagles. And did you guys know that this bird indulges kleptoparasitism? It's an ability where this bird can obtain other animals' food without exerting much effort, time, and energy. So in short, may pagkalupining lang daw pa. May nipalas na lottery. And did you know that they are called serpent eagles because in the wild, they love to prey reptiles and snakes. So kung ka na nilang taon, tawag silang serpent eagles. By the way guys, additional trivia. Kapag nakanila si Tigda mo si Freddy, kanil silang duha is puro rin sila mga rescued birds. So donated din sila, ikat sa DNR. So i-donate ka rin si Ocean Park, itagang facilities, itagang pagkaon, i-nourish and also i-train. So makita ninyo, mapalo na muna sila sa atong mga trainers. Okay. Now lastly, for flying birds, let's call in our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons have innate homing ability, meaning they will here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We are not just trying to help keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Now let's come together and say one of the greatest creation of God and give to Mother Nature. See, Bandit can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are we first spectacular? Yes! First, we have trainer Jen, rather as DJ. We have trainer Jen right here with our Dreamy Macomb Bandit. And the long staff here in Cebu Ocean Park. This is me again, PJ, your host for this afternoon.